everyone, this is a quick guide on how to use our rhythm tool with Kihap.ai. So you can find that in the nav bar, and this is kind of what our page looks like. It'll start you off with the custom rhythm tool designer, where you can kind of design your own rhythm. And right now the duration is 10 seconds, but if I do want to extend that, I have that choice to do so. So I'm going to keep it at, let's do 10 seconds, and I'll kind of give you an example of what this sounds like. And it will keep looping until I stop it. And as you can see, I can also see my markers here, the timestamps. I can also move markers around, and I can save a rhythm. So I can enter a title, and it saves to my library. We can clear all rhythms and start over, and then there's also different marker types. So I can have a beat or a yell. So if I have a beat, that's just the one you already heard, and a yell, which indicates like a Kihap, is that one. So if you want to hear both of them. So different kinds of beats. Eventually we'll also be making this customizable, so you can choose that sound. But yes, and then yell markers are marked differently in the marker section. So we've also created some templates for a lot of you guys to work with. We've done all of the color belt forms as well as choreo. And then once again, this is just a custom tool here, but I can give you kind of an example of one of them. So we can go to blue belt, Tagok Sajang, and this is kind of the rhythm that the form goes through. And basically each marker is representative of like the climax of a kick or a punch or a block. So it kind of helps you go through that form, and it's a good way to practice. Alright, and then we also put the Kihaps at the correct markers. You can also still customize this even though it's a template, so I can move things around however I please. And I can add more markers as well. Yes, so once again, I can save. Since I changed this one up, I can say, all right, and here's how I can view my saved rhythms. I can go to my library, I can go under rhythms, and I can view them right here. And then I can also delete them as I please.